Hello friends, today is the loading case of the Tesla Model S Sport shock absorber kit. The suspension of this car has always been a pain point for car owners. Let's take a look at its original height. The front is the state of 4 fingers. The back is the state of 3.5 fingers. The suspension feedback of this car is usually harder, so we developed a targeted comfort kit. That is to say, while lowering the body, can effectively improve our comfort and handling. Well, now the sports shock kit has been installed. Let's see the effect after loading. The height of the front wheel is a little more than 2 fingers. The back is exactly the height of 2 fingers. The car is down now. Posture has also improved a lot. Next, let's go for a road test.
I wanna say goodbye. 再见我的过去 I want a new life. 再见我的眼泪得到和失败。再见那个年少轻狂的时代。再见我